Hi there, welcome back. Episode 12 of Who the Heck is Nat? I am going to discuss sending Tron from my Exodus wallet over to my TronLink wallet in order to freeze more Tron. So here we go. We are going to send, but before we can send, we need the address of the wallet we're going to send to. And before I do that, I want to mention, as always, my videos are not financial advice and are for entertainment purposes only. So here we are in my TronLink wallet, and I would like to receive. So we are going to copy account. Very important that you get this address correct. Copy account. We're going to pull up our Exodus wallet. In this video, I'm actually going to slide this over a little bit. Oops. Maybe not. Okay. There we go. Alright, so we're going to copy account. It says copied. And we are going to paste that address. TMD XPR, TMD XPR. So I go back and forth verifying the combination of letters and numbers to ensure that this wallet address matches. And looks good. Excellent. So, bear with me just a moment. So we're going to send. I prefer to use the US dollar section. You can choose to send an amount of Tron. You can click on half. You can click on all. In my case, I would prefer to send 75 US dollars worth of Tron, which is 1,399 Tron. And again, triple check that address, quadruple check that address, make sure that address is correct. Send. There's the address again, make sure it's right. Send. Success. Okay, thank you. Let's see. And yes, it was received. Excellent. So now we can freeze Tron. So I'm going to click on Energy, Freeze, Confirm. Takes a second to load, and there we go. We are going to obtain. And no, we do not want Tron power and bandwidth. We do, however, want Tron power and energy. And how much do we want? Available energy, available Tron power, 2,000. And let's see what the max is. It's $13.99, so let's freeze 1,000 more. There we go. And I confirm. Again, there's that wallet address. Very important to make sure that's correct. This is an address I use often, so I'm not going to say I have it memorized completely, but put it this way, I know that that's correct. Freeze. Accept. Tokens frozen. So it does take about a minute to update. So we can close out of this. Come on over here to our TronLink wallet. I'm going to click on Energy again. Freeze and unfreeze. Confirm. Just trying to refresh here. Let's see. There we go. 2,900 Tron frozen. Excellent. Now I can unfreeze this, but I would prefer to leave that alone. So I currently have a total of 3,000 Tron frozen, and that is so that I can claim in Bankroll Flow. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. My apologies. We're going to roll in Bankroll Flow. So we are going to roll our available interest back into our deposit. Accept. Close that. And there we go. So interest has gone to 0 and it's been put into our deposit. And there's our energy, which will most likely drop down a bit. There we go. Wiped out our energy. That's why it's important to freeze energy, because otherwise we would have paid 3,000 Tron for that transaction. So really important to have that energy frozen. It stays frozen for 72 hours. Within usually less than 24 hours, that energy has been replenished. But I do prefer to roll or claim every other day. So I usually roll. The following day I don't roll or claim. Then I roll again. Then the following day I don't roll or claim. And then I claim. So basically 3 days a week I'm making a transaction. And that's how I've been working it out. So quick recap. We went over sending Tron from our Exodus wallet over to our TronLink wallet. And then freezing Tron and rolling in Bankroll Flow. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, it's for entertainment purposes only. All of my videos are not financial advice. And I hope you have a good day, good night, good morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. I hope it's a good one. Thank you for joining.